Hello friends, my name is Manoj from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll see how we can host a WordPress website on a DigitalOcean. So first of all, we'll log into the DigitalOcean console. So once we log in, we'll click on the marketplace, the option you will get on the right hand side. Just click on a marketplace. There you will get the predefined VMs or a droplet, so you can select any of those. So as of now, we'll install WordPress on our website. So we'll click on WordPress, and here it will be an option that is create WordPress droplet. We'll click over there, and as you can also see there, these are all the packages that will install on this WordPress droplet. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so most of the things are selected. Let's create a block storage. We'll go with a 1 GB. It is more than enough. For the data center, we'll choose the Bangalore location, and for the password I just created one password and will enter that only. Okay, now everything looks good. Now hostname will give us a WordPress website. Okay, let's give us some tag. Let's suppose WordPress website. Okay, and everything looks good. We'll click on create droplet. So now it is creating our droplet, or in our instance or our virtual machine in the DigitalOcean server. In meantime, you can open your domain console. So as I bought domain from the control .tech, so I'm just logging into that. And if you bought this domain from the GoDaddy or Big Rocks, so you can log in to their console as well. I will click on manage order, and there you will find the list of domain that you bought. So for the testing of this, I just bought this domain that is corpit learnings.tech. So we'll click over there. Okay, so we'll land up into this page. In GoDaddy or Big Rock, you will land it in the same page, but the things and the design are different. We mainly focus on the name servers. So let's wait for our droplet to create. I guess it's almost created itself. Let's just click over here. Okay, it's almost created. So we'll click right hand side on the droplet, and as you can see here, we got a message that droplet has been created. We'll cross that, and when we click on more, there will we get a down option, add a domain. We'll click on add a domain, and we'll copy paste our domain. So this is our domain. We'll copy paste that. We'll enter our domain, and next we'll click on add domain. It is showing that was it added in the first project. First project is the folder that we are using, currently working it, and here are the setting. So these are the name server, that is ns1.digitalocean.com, ns2.digitalocean.com, and ns3.digitalocean.com. So we'll again go to the domain console, and we click on name server, and here you need to apply all the name server. So I already applied, that is ns1.digitalocean.com, ns2.digitalocean.com, ns3.digitalocean.com. Like that, you have to update the name server on your domain site. So once it's done, you can also check it, that you can just search for a DNS checker and click on the first website, that is dnschecker.org, and we'll copy paste our domain to see whether our name server is reflecting over there or not. We'll search, but currently we are selecting the A record. We'll select the NS record, that is name server record, and as we can see here, it is already applied. Okay, so now let's again go back to our control panel or our DigitalOcean console. We'll again click on the right hand side, the droplet, and we'll click on the WordPress website or the hostname that we created. Now we need to open a CMD. So you can use the CMD in your Windows machine, so no issue on that. I'm using a different command prompt. It is same as a CMD, but they have some fancy looking stuff, so you can also try that. So we'll click on the IPv4 and we'll enter SSH, then root is the user @ the IPv4, and we'll click enter. It will ask for the fingerprint. We'll click yes. It will ask for the password. This is our password. We'll copy paste that. Okay, now we are into our server. Now it is asking for a domain name. So what is our domain? Our domain is this. We'll copy paste that and continue. Now it is asking for our email. So for this example, I'm just using our formal email, that is corpit.org@gmail.com. We'll copy paste that. Now it's asking for a username. We'll give as an admin. Now it's asking for a password. We'll give the default password that we give to our server, and continue. Block title will give us corp IT learnings. Okay, is the information correct? Yes. Now it is asking for the SSL certificate. So the SSL certificate that they are providing is a temporary certificate, and that will only available for 3 months. But in the upcoming video, I will show up way in which you can use the Cloudflare certificate, and that is for free for a lifetime. So we'll ignore this and we'll click enter. So now it will start installing the WordPress in our server. So just wait for some time it to install. As you can see here, it's almost installed. Now it is saying installation complete. Access your new WordPress website in the browser. So we'll copy this IP and we'll incognito mode and we'll try that. Let's see whether it is opening or not. So as we can see here, our WordPress website is opening. We'll enter wp-admin to log into the admin console. We enter the username and the password that we given. This is the password that we given. Remember me and log in. Okay, so now we are on our website and everything looks good. If you're having some issue, just comment down below. I also write a detailed article for the same. If you want to know the text edition of that, you can head over to my website and you will find that. So I hope you like the video. As of now, I am ending the video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.